Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Gunbay channel. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today we were gonna unbox another new Beyblade from Super King, and this is Brave Valkyrie from Flame brand. So I'm just little disappointed because the courier uh, they didn't taking care of their parcels. As you can see, the box is little, it's pretty damaged, okay. This is the back of the box. As you can see, it's pretty damaged. It's from Flame brand. So let's open it. First is the Beyblade. Second is it has a sticker sheet. So the third one is the launcher, and the last one is the ripcord with this one. And I have to how could I put this? So, right. So first, this is a launcher from left and right launcher. This is a left and right launcher, and it's from Flame. Let's see if it is sparking. Oh. As you can see, it's sparking both sides, from the right and from the left. As you can see, it's sparking. It's pretty good, just like the Takara Tomies. So let's open it, the plastic. So this is the parts of the Beyblade. Let's check if it's rubber. Yes, it's made from rubber. This is the layer. Okay, this is the Brave. This is the Valkyrie chip. And this is the Z attack. Wait. And the driver is Evolution. This is the driver, is Evolution. There's nothing special on it. Not spinning. I don't know what you call this. Comment down below. So let's build it. Okay. This is a right spin Beyblade. I think this is rubber too. This is I no no, it's just a plastic. Okay, this is the Z attack. Let's put on it. Oh, it clicks when I attach this. Then it is a right spin. So, by the way, we got the correct combo. It's pretty. Oh, it's pretty tight, man. It's pretty tight. You hear the click? So, it's too big. This is a rubber, made from rubber. Look how thick it is. So this is a rice spin. It's pretty good. So as of now, I will not launch it. So I will launch it on my next video. So there you have it, guys. My unboxing of my Brave Valkyrie from Flame brand. So thank you for watching, guys. See you soon on my next video and stay tuned. Thank you.